The Honor Magic V4 is poised to be a groundbreaking addition to the foldable smartphone market, building upon the successes of its predecessors with notable advancements in design, performance, and user experience. A key highlight is its ultra-slim profile, with a folded thickness reportedly under 9 mm, potentially making it one of the thinnest foldable devices available. This sleek design is made possible through the use of a titanium alloy hinge and an ultra-thin ceramic composite frame, offering both strength and a lightweight feel that enhances portability. At the core of the Magic V4 is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, also known in some markets as the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Unlike some competing devices that may use a 7-core version to manage heat and battery life, Honor has chosen the full 8-core version to deliver uncompromised flagship performance. The chipset is expected to be paired with at least 12 GB of RAM and storage options starting at 256 GB, ensuring smooth multitasking and plenty of space for apps, media, and productivity. The device will likely feature a dual-screen setup with a 6.45-inch LTPO OLED cover screen and a larger 8-inch 2K 120Hz LTPO OLED foldable main display. These screens are expected to deliver vivid colors, crisp resolution, and ultra-smooth responsiveness, ideal for everything from media consumption to productivity tasks like multitasking with split-screen apps or document editing. Camera technology on the Magic V4 is also set to impress, with a rumored 50MP primary sensor equipped with optical image stabilization and a high-resolution 200MP periscope telephoto lens for long-range shots and advanced zoom capabilities. This combination positions the V4 as a serious tool for mobile photography and videography, further supported by AI enhancements likely baked into Honor's software. Battery performance is another area of major improvement, with the Magic V4 rumored to include a 6,000 mAh silicon-carbon battery. This new battery tech allows for greater energy density in a slimmer form, meaning longer usage times without sacrificing the sleek form factor. Fast charging capabilities are expected as well, possibly including both wired and wireless options. Connectivity will also be top-tier, with the device supporting 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and even satellite communication, providing reliable coverage in a wide range of environments. With all of these features wrapped into a refined and lightweight foldable body, the Honor Magic V4 is shaping up to be not just a technological showcase, but also a highly practical and desirable everyday device for power users and early adopters alike.